Hello, my name is Mark Thompson and this is your cosmic teaser for October 2018. The darker skies will be seen at the beginning of the month because of the new moon on the 9th, but towards the end of the month fainter objects will be harder to spot because the full moon puts in an appearance on the 24th. Mars can be seen at the start of October after sunset over in the southeast. You really can't miss it though because it will be bright, red and looking glorious. Once you've found Mars, look a little bit more over to your right until you come across a pale yellow object, which is Saturn. If you've got a telescope of any sort, even a bird-watching telescope, line it up on Saturn and with a magnification of anything over about 20 times, you'll be able to see its rings. Further over to the western horizon is much brighter Jupiter, but it sets around 8 o'clock, so is not prominent for most of October. We've got 2 meteor showers to look forward to in October. On the 8th, around the time of the new moon, is the Draconian meteor shower. The meteors from this shower are remnants of comet 21P Giacobini-Zinner, which made its closest approach to Earth for 72 years on the 10th of September. For this year's shower though, the Earth's expected to pass through an older dust trail left by the comet around 60 years ago, so we're not expecting any significant increase in meteor activity. As the month progresses, the waxing moon can be seen drifting through the planets, and on the 18th will be just over 2.5 degrees away from Mars, making for a great view in the southeast just after the sun sets. The second meteor shower, the Orionids, can be seen overnight on the 21st of October. The full moon on the 24th will only allow for the brightest meteors to be seen, but thankfully the Orionids are usually pretty bright, so we should still get a good show. Now Mars dominates the southern sky later in the month, but if you look up and to the left a little, you'll see a familiar autumn constellation, Pegasus, which is easy to find by looking for a large square of stars. Now look a little higher and to the left of the Great Square, and if you've got dark skies, you will see a faint fuzzy blob. That is the Andromeda Galaxy, and binoculars are a great way to get a better view. It takes 2.5 million years for the light to reach us from Andromeda, so if you find it, you're looking at it as it was over 2 million years ago. You're actually looking back in time. It's not just distant galaxies which can be seen in October. It's a great time to grab your binoculars and wander along the dark lanes of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. At the beginning of the month, you can see it stretching up from the southwest horizon around 9 p.m, and rather fortunately, Saturn conveniently marks this point above the horizon. But get away from lights and see if you can spot the Great Rift, which looks like a gap in the Milky Way, but is actually a vast cloud of dust blocking light from the stars behind it. If you've got good skies, you can follow the rift all the way from the horizon up to Cygnus next to the bright star Vega. That's it for this month. Let's hope for some clear skies.